So it's getting to be winter time here in the northern hemisphere, and I thought you guys would enjoy some just kind of cozy content where we make some stuff, sit back, relax. What I'm going to be making today is a poncho with this lion braid yarn. This was a project that I started when I had to take a couple of days off work because I was sick. Mostly I'd lost my voice, nothing big and crazy. Have you noticed that one of the amazing things that has come out of the entire situation we've been in the last few years is if you're sick, you tend to take the time off to get better, rather than walking around and being sick forever and getting other people sick, because that's what was expected of us, right? But it's not really what should be expected of any of us. We should just get better. It takes way less time to convalesce for 2-3 days, get back on our feet, rather than being miserable. I've had some winters for weeks on end because the flu just never went away. Have you had something like that happen to you? Have you noticed something shifting in your own either work cultures or just your own background and your own perceptions? Tell me about it down in the comments. If cozy sewing or handcraft content is something that you enjoy, please don't forget to click the like button. It does help my video out in the world. Go ahead and comment down below. Tell me your favorite handcraft that you've done, and maybe consider subscribing. Stick around for a little while. We have a lot of fun doing different handcrafts around here, even if we are sick. And inevitably, because I wasn't feeling my best and didn't pay attention, I did have to rip out part of what I was working on, just because the stitches got off and then I couldn't keep track of where I was. You do still have to be able to pay some pretty close attention to what you're doing with these, but luckily I caught it before I had to undo too many rows. And just like that, I started to feel better, and the day before I got back to work, I finished my poncho. So, time to weave some ends in, go pick up the last of the meds I wanted to grab to keep me on the upward climb to better health again, and maybe take a couple pictures, right? I assume everyone would want to see the big reveal after watching me tie little knots in string for several days.
And that's pretty much all I have to show you about my one day, actually it was probably like a day and a half make, where I decided to sit on the couch, be sick, and crochet a poncho because my crochet hook would not stab me like a sewing needle would. So I want to thank all of you for watching my video this week. I really want you to get the message that, especially in this kind of chilly, cozy time of year, please do take a break if you need one. I filmed this video while I was sick for a couple of days. Nothing too crazy, just like your standard flu. And couldn't really talk, so welcome to voiceover land. But one of the big things is that your health, especially this time of year, is going to be super important. So take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. It does kind of show some more engagement, and it'll let you know when I post more videos. I don't often post crocheting videos, but if you guys really like it, I might post some more. In the meantime, I hope you're having a fantastic winter. Please take some time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye. Traffic, huh? Yeah. Zoe agrees. Traffic's kind of loud outside.